Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is the Tozo S4 and if you remember some time back I looked at the S3 which I own and I think is an awesome little watch, and this is an upgrade, so I got this in to see if this is a worthy upgrade to the S3. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out of the box and see what we've got and see if this is a good watch to have. So the first thing in the packaging is this little thing here, which just shows you how to put your band onto the watch. It just shows you the way to attach it, and that's the first thing out of the packaging. Next is this very thin but very usable little manual that does give you some of the operations, and it does show you different screenshots of the faces on the watch, which is nice, and that's also included in the packaging. Comes with this here, which is actually a charging cable for the watch. It's got a little magnetic end that actually attaches to the watch, and that is included in the packaging as well. Comes with the strap separate from the actual watch face, so you have to actually attach this yourself, and that was also shown in that little piece of paper on how to attach it, but that's also included. I don't know at this stage if you can get other straps, but this is the main strap that comes with this particular model. And finally we've got the actual watch face itself, and as you can see it's quite small. It's smaller than the original S3, which I'll bring in later on and show you for comparisons in size. We'll just peel this protective cover off because it also does need charging, so I'll have to do that too. So with the cover off you can see that the screen is a little bit smaller than the original. It's an AMOLED screen, which is a better screen than the original. And I'll put the sizes up so you can see the difference between this and the original S3. Other features I've noticed that are different is the crown also turns and has got some sort of gripping on it, which is nice. It still clicks in for operating the different functions. On the back you've got your sensors, your charging port, and also where you put your strap. So what we'll do next is we'll get the strap on, we'll charge this up, and then we'll also bring in the original S3 to compare it, and then I'll show you the app so you can have a look at everything on this particular model. So let's go and do that next. Okay, so I've got the strap on the S4 now, and as you can see already the screen is really nice. Now the crown does have an extra function. You can turn it to switch different watch faces, where before you had to actually swipe through, which was something that was good, but it's nice to be able to just adjust it with the crown. Now pushing it in will bring you to this screen here, which will show you the different options on this. Now you can make calls on it, you can play music. It has got your different fitness apps for blood pressure, oxygen, and also stress. You have got a built-in light, which is kind of handy for looking at things, and you've got a few other different settings. Overall, the quality of this upgrade is quite nice. Now I'll bring in the original, and as you can see already, the original screen is not as good. The resolution's lower and it's flickering on this recording, where the new one doesn't. I'll just bring it back up because it will time out. You can see that it is a bit smaller, but they have actually removed this little bit of screen space that they didn't have, so I don't know if it's really any difference in actual screen size. They've just got rid of that lip part, which is interesting. The one thing I did like about the S3 is that you can actually get different straps, and as you can see here I've got a metal strap, which at the moment you can't for the S4, but everything about the S4 is better than the S3. It does everything the same. It has pretty much the same features, the S3, but the S4 is faster, much nicer screen, and just also has a few different watch faces that the S3 didn't have. I'll just bring in the phone and I'll show you the app. Now the app will allow you to control various functions on the watch and also monitor your health. Now you can install quite a large number of different watch faces, as you can see here. And you can customize them too, which is really nice. So you can actually put your own photos as a watch face too. There is a rather large amount of different watch faces on here, which is really good. They have not skimped on giving you different faces to use, which is really nice. And the fact that you can also upload your own pictures here, and you can just upload whatever you want, and you've got a choice on colors, and a little bit of a way of laying out the actual watch face is also really nice. So as an upgrade from the original S3, This is definitely a nice upgrade. It's around the same price, and it does have pretty much everything the S3 has, but it's slightly smaller, much nicer screen resolution on it with the upgrade of the AMOLED screen. The downside is that you haven't got the option of different straps at this stage, but I'm sure they'll come. So if you're looking for a good quality smartwatch that won't break your bank, I definitely recommend the Tozo S4. It is a worthy upgrade to the S3, and definitely worth getting if you want something to tip your toes into a smartwatch type thing. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.